Hey everyone, welcome to the Airliner Meeting 2026. This time we brought only big planes. We brought the Belarus BC-24, the Global 7500 and the C-17 as well. We kept it in the hangar. The whole team is with us. We are going to have some fun. We have an amazing weather and lots of audience. Anyways, hope you enjoy the video. So before the event started, we had to certify these models. Each model must be checked and certified before it can fly. It went great, and I might make a behind the scenes video to show you the whole process and also the test flights that we had to do for the certification. Also a massive shout out to Tyler Berry for bringing these models here and for bringing the team. Of course, without him, none of this will be possible. Unfortunately, because of his busy schedule, he was here only on Friday, and on Saturday he was here only for 2 hours. Flew twice and then he had to leave, and for the rest of the event I had to fly the models myself. Anyways, this video is going to show some highlights of our flights. Also, I want to say thanks to everyone who showed up. We had fans travel across countries to meet us and to see these models. And for those who couldn't make it, I hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah, this is worth it. But not only for this. We're going 4 minutes again? Could be over here, close to this side. Yeah, this side. Here, from there? Yeah. You were doing 130.
This turn I was 120 miles. Yes. 130 and 20. I was so freaking out.
Flaps 15, 90, 64, 64, 66.
It's really floating.
Ah, fuck it.
Great fun. It felt like you couldn't turn on this way.
It needs more mix. I have to do more mix on the other. Yeah, I know. Okay.
So how much mix is in it now?
Not much.
Yeah, I'm like 20% more
I
than
felt
that.
yesterday the same. Yeah, I'll do it.
Did you take some out?
No, it's been the same, but I think he flies different at home. He goes farther at home. He's more comfortable going farther.
Yeah,
so he makes a longer turns.
Yeah.
But here he wants
It
shorter
looks
turns.
far here though.
Yeah, but I was just wanted to be sure that I was a little closer.
Yeah. You mean you have the same job? Because I know. A warm-up flight,
Warm-up flight.
and for me you can call it a
Love it.
training flight.
Love it. Do you need a timer?
Yes.
Action straight ahead.
79.
Drop your nose.
You so great.
the gear.
Yes. And the flaps, so you know
Yeah.
it's dangerous, drop everything.
Maybe 15.
Yeah, dropping that going too fast. A little faster, throttle up, throttle up.
Up?
Yes, yes. Come out, throttle out. Nice headwind.
70,
Little throttle,
68,
little throttle,
10,
little throttle, little more. Let out of the throttle, off of the throttle. Let it settle, let it settle.
61,
No throttle, let it settle.
57, 58.
Ooh, look at that!
Perfect, good job.
My God,
I'm
don't
gonna
leave.
say that stuff.
Please don't.
It won't matter.
No, don't
I'm
say
gonna be
it.
going, let it throttle, let it fall, let it fall.
Good job, baby.
He says the same thing.
Thank
When I
you.
used to pull it, I can't. It's hard to do
It's
it.
hard,
dude.
right?
It's hard. Yeah. My God.
But just trust it.
I know, right?
Knows the weight of the plane is your
Yeah.
speed.
And
So
she's
that's-
so light, just
Yeah.
floats.
That was great, man.
Is that your favorite in the hangar at the moment, Tyler?
The
Don't think
A380
so.
is the favorite. Yeah, we can't bring it. We can't bring it here.
No,
It's too much weight. I would love for people to see it though. It's beautiful.
yeah. We'll all come to Atlanta.
Yes, come on, I'll fly it for you.
Flaps 30, flaps 60.
Yeah, we had some issues with the landing gear. So this is the main day of the event, where it's open for the public. We line up all the models on the airfield for the audience to take some pictures and take a closer look. We flew a couple of times on the first day. Unfortunately, we did not fly the C-17 as much. The landing gear was damaged and we could not retrack it anymore. The airfield is really dry and really harsh on these planes. But thankfully the other models performed well and we could fly them without any issues.
Hangar spezielle Staude 169 Kilo, der Großverkehr, dicke Drähte und Hydraulik.
That was a good one. Beautiful walk back. That was a nice one.
Sick.
That scared me. That was glorious. All right, that was it. This was fun. And now they have a tradition here where they put all the planes out on the runway and everybody comes to just take pictures with these models. But yeah, this was an amazing weekend. And let's see if we do it in 2 years.
2 years from now.
We'll see how it goes. But
Maybe
anyways,
with new planes.
we'll see about that.
Could be.
All right, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you on the next video. Might be a new project or it might be a new flight of something. Bye.